southern Hillsborough County until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over DeSoto Lake, or near Poinsettia Park, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Tornado emergency for the warned area, including portions of Braden Park and University Park. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: public confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and destruction is possible. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a large and dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.